Luscombe Mitsubishi are very happy to offer this 66 plate Nissan Juke Tekna. The Nissan Juke comes with your 17-inch alloy wheels. The Nissan Juke Tekna also comes with your full two-toned designed leather interior. The vehicle also comes with your 360-degree reversing camera, hands-free Bluetooth enabling you to answer and making phone calls while you're driving, as well as your cruise control and speed limiter. Nissan Juke also comes with a great boot capacity for all your shopping needs. Nissan Juke also comes with your Isofix fittings, enabling you to make sure that you've got your car seats, kid seats fixed correctly in a safe manner. Nissan Juke also comes with your radio, CD, DAB radio and air conditioning as well. If you'd like to arrange an appointment and a test drive from this unique 66 plate Nissan Juke, give us a call on 0113 277 6099.